Home Show.
Kim from Navasota has a question about a plywood ceiling.
Well, it's actually at her sister's manufactured home, and she lives in Maurice, Louisiana. I don't know where that is, but that's where you'll find her roof. Kim writes, the AC leaked from the attic, and she has these 12 by 12 ceiling tiles which got stained and separated, and they exposed a plywood ceiling. It appears the entire ceiling has plywood attached to the ceiling joist, and the ceiling tiles are then attached to the plywood. Tom, she wonders, is this right? And I've never seen anything like this, she says.
I would say it's pretty uncommon to have plywood put on a ceiling, but I have plywood on the ceiling of my garage that I put up purposely, in my house. So it can be done. It's not a bad thing by any means. Now, usually when people do those types of ceilings, what they do is they use 1x4s and they put them on 12-inch centers. And that way, because your tiles are usually around 12 inches, they will staple them up into the 1x4s, and then they'll interlock, and then they'll just move across the room that way. And that's a very common way of installing those types of ceiling tiles. Now, the people might have decided, you know what? We don't want to gauge the 12 inches. We just want to have a solid wood base to put the staples in. And so they decided to do plywood. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's strong. Mm-hmm. Maybe they had extra plywood on the job. They said, let's just use this. Who knows? But it's not common, but it's not a problem by any means. It'll make it very easy for them to repair that ceiling.
I wonder... we talk, how you say that shiplap homes, that the shiplap's actually part of the structure of the house. It's a manufactured home, Tom. I wonder if that plywood's up there as part of the structure or the integrity of the entire structure.
I didn't realize it was a manufactured home. There are no rules that apply to manufactured homes.
Exactly.
These guys have to put it, if they might be moving it in 2 pieces, nailing it together. They might be moving it in 4 pieces. It might all come with just wheels that they remove afterwards. I don't know. So yeah, it could be the manufacturer's way of building this. Maybe they wanted to meet a certain windstorm so they could sell it as a better, stronger home. I don't know. But if it's a manufactured home, then maybe it's common for that manufacturer. Just like a Chevy is going to be built different than a Ford. So that very well could be. But the bottom line is it's not bad, and it's going to be easy for you to replace. Mm-hmm. And quite frankly, they might have done it because they're going and slapping and wrapping so fast. Instead of trying to measure all those little 1x4s like you would in a house, they said, hey, we got it down on the ground, plywood it. They have machines to do it. The ceiling goes in, then it all goes together, and it's done.
It's a matter of man hours.
The way that they do their production.
Yeah, it's a matter of managing the man hours in the construction. I could see where that would be cheaper than doing
I'm good with it. It was plywood. It wasn't OSB board.
What matters most, that's true. Yeah, it's true. It wasn't OSB. That's a good point. It's probably. I'd be willing to bet you that is not a new one, and I'll bet you if you bought a new one, it would be OSB. So,
or it wouldn't be there at all. Who knows what it'll be?
Yeah, probably be aluminum framing or something like that. But I guess you can't do that in residential, can you? You can't use the aluminum in. Well, then again, there are no rules in manufactured.
But you can use aluminum studs and stuff, but not for load bearing. It's only for partitions. So you can mix it. It doesn't make any sense to. But
so if it's only an architectural detail that hangs those ceiling tiles, they could have just run aluminum across there and just stapled on. And
I could have done a lot of things, but sticking with the question, she feels like maybe something's wrong. It's nothing.
It's not. Wrong. Okay. No. So it's all good. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. No. It's fixed the ceiling. Yeah.
Yeah, get a tile. Good luck with that, too. All right. You got a question? I'm just saying, matching that thing's going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, no. She'll have to do the whole ceiling. But the sizes are standard.
Okay. You got a question? And look at this. If you're going to replace the whole thing, you can maybe change the look, too. So it's an opportunity for you. You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out.
That's their checkbook. Yeah. Okay, fine.
Yeah. You can tell my wife's been negotiating a lot of updates around the house with me, right? All right. You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out just like that. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in to us. We'll answer it just like this and post a video for you. Put a new one up every day on our website at HomeShowRadio.com, at our Facebook page, and, of course, on our YouTube channel.